Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surbi. Today I will show you how to make a delicious and mouth-watering spinach moong dal paneer stuffed dosa, a flavorful and nutritious twist on a classic dosa recipe. Join me as I guide you through the step-by-step process. It's a healthy wrap which is high in protein and perfect for breakfast or lunch that you can include in your weight loss journey. I have soaked 2 cups moong dal in water overnight, and here is iron-rich spinach that I will be adding it to the batter. Let's grind it by adding 1 green chili, ginger and water. Grind it into a smooth batter. Meanwhile, let's boil spinach. I have taken 1 cup spinach and 2 cups water. Let's wait for 5 minutes until it gets cooked. Strain the water and wait for it to cool down. And blend it in blender. Now I will add spinach puree into my moong dal batter, adding cumin powder, black pepper, salt and 1/4 cup water. Mix it well. Heat a non-stick tawa on medium heat. Pour a ladle full of batter on the tawa and spread it in a circular motion to form a thin dosa. Drizzle oil around the edges of the dosa and cook until the bottom side turns golden brown. Flip the dosa and cook the other side for a minute. Let's prepare paneer stuffing by crumbling paneer. I have mentioned the link in the description on how to make homemade paneer. Adding half chopped onion, cumin powder, salt and pepper to taste, and some coriander leaves. Place a small portion of paneer stuffing and fold the dosa over the paneer. Serve the paneer stuffed moong dosa with green chutney on the side. Crispy moong dal dosa with paneer filling is ready. Thanks for watching.